Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you own the device and minimizing data risk. Check the model, serial, and purchase receipt. Once done, make sure the battery is charged to avoid interruptions. You should note the account, email, and recovery phone tied to the device because official recovery channels require them. If you have any cloud backups, identify where they live so you can restore later. These are the immediate, legitimate actions to take before contacting support or visiting a service center. Next, contact the device maker or carrier and request official assistance. Explain that you cannot unlock the device and that you possess proof of ownership. Provide the account recovery details they ask for, recovery email, phone, or security answers, so they can verify identity. If remote verification is insufficient, make an appointment at an authorized service center and bring your receipt and ID. This route maintains device security policies while enabling a legitimate reset or reactivation without attempting any unauthorized. Finally, follow the authorized path to restore access. If support approves, a technician can perform an official factory reset or guide you through verified account recovery so the device is usable again. Once the device is unlocked by legitimate means, sign back into your primary account and restore data from cloud or local backups. Make sure to verify contacts, photos, and app data. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to double-check all linked cloud accounts and archives before concluding data is permanently lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.